Hello students, today we are here with a question that is from July 2021 JEE Mains exam. एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चन जो है ये एक डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ वेक्टर एनालिसिस का क्वेश्चन है। तो क्वेश्चन क्या है हम उसी तरीके से पहले देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट विल बी द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर ए। वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर ए ऑन द वेक्टर बी। We are here with a vector b and with a vector a, and we have to calculate the projection of vector a along the vector b. So देखते पहले समझते हैं कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें हमको क्या यूज करना है। दैट इज क्वाइट सिंपल। देखो क्या है, अगर हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट की डेफिनेशन की बात करें, दैट इज a डॉट b इज इक्वल टू ए बी कॉस थीटा। ओके, it is simple. Here, according to this diagram, we have to calculate the projection of A along B. That is, if this angle is theta, then the projection will be A cos theta. So here हमको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? हमको यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना है A cos theta. That is being equal to A dot B over B, where B is where B is magnitude of vector B. ओके, तो हमें अभी जो कैलकुलेट करना है उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? A cos theta which is equal to A dot B over B. Okay, but this is only the magnitude of projection. If we have to calculate it in terms of vector or with the unit vector, then what it will be? Then it will be, let's say A cos theta is projection, एंड हमको क्या साथ चाहिए इसके? मैग्नीट्यूड। दिस इज मैग्नीट्यूड, और हमें इसके साथ में क्या चाहिए? डायरेक्शन, दैट इज यूनिट वेक्टर। ओके, व्हाट विल बी यूनिट वेक्टर? देन हियर द यूनिट वेक्टर इज इन विच डायरेक्शन? बी, बिकॉज वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द प्रोजेक्शन अलोंग बी। सो वी कैन राइट इट एज A cos theta into B cap. That is, in right hand side we will also multiply by B cap. Okay, then it is in vector form. This is in magnitude and this is complete vector form. Okay, so what is this? The projection of A along B. Okay, and problem here? I think okay. Then we will try to solve this problem. Okay, we have to calculate the projection of vector A on B. That is A cos theta or into B cap. Okay, and what is A cos theta into B cap in right side? That is A dot B over magnitude of B into B cap. And what it will be? A dot B, that is I plus J cap plus K cap dot product with I plus J cap over. It is A dot B, and in the denominator we have here B, that is magnitude of vector B. It will be 1 plus 1, that is ax square plus ay square. Okay, and we have to write here that what is the unit vector, and for unit vector we have to calculate B cap as vector B over magnitude of B, and this will be vector B is nothing but I cap over I cap plus J cap, and this is 1 plus 1. So what it will be? I cap plus j cap over root 2. So here we can also write I cap plus j cap over root 2. And what it will be in numerator? It is simple. I cap dot I cap, that is 1, plus j cap dot j cap equal to 1, and k cap plus 0 dot 0 is equal to 0 over root 2 multiply by I cap plus j cap by root 2, and the what will be final answer here? 2 over root 2 into root 2, that is cancel, and the final answer will I cap dot j cap. Okay, then it is the complete explanation of this problem, and it is quite simple. Okay,